Hi, you are welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create multiple folders in a specific location on our computer system using the command prompt feature. Now, this is my third video on how to create multiple folders using the command prompt, and I have the link in the description below that links to the previous two videos on how to use the command prompt to create multiple folders. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to locate a specific location on your computer system and create multiple folders. And in my next video, I will be showing you how to create multiple folders and also create subfolders within the main folder using the command prompt. Now let's walk straight to our video and see how to create multiple folders using the command prompt on our computer system. Now, to access the command prompt, you move to the start button, then you search for CMD, and you are going to have the best match in this menu. Then you have a once click on it, and you are going to have this window. You can also right click on the start button and choose run and type CMD. Then you click on OK, and you are going to have the same window. Alternatively, you can use your keyboard shortcut Windows R, and you are going to have the same window for the run command. Then you type CMD. Now we have this window open, and we are going to choose a particular location on our computer system and create our multiple folders. Now the first line of code you are going to type is dir, which stands for directory and also can be known as location. Now when we hit the enter key, this is going to display all directories on our computer system. So you can see that we have directory of the local disk C, and these are the locations that we have in our local disk C. And therefore, if you want to create folders within these locations, you have to identify the location that you want to have your folders displayed. Now in this window, I'm going to create my multiple folders in the pictures folder. So you can see that in these locations we have the pictures folder. You can choose any location that you want, but I am going to choose the pictures folder. So the next code you are going to type is cd, then you type pictures. It means that we are changing the directory to pictures. Therefore, you hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now pictures folder is selected. So what we are going to type now is the code that is going to create our folders. So I'm going to type mkdir, which stands for make directory. Then you hit the space bar. Now this is where you are going to type the names of the folders that you want. And I'm going to make it very simple. I'm going to create 7 folders in this window. So you just type the names that you want depending on how you want it. And when you type the first name, you hit the space bar. You type the next name, you hit the space bar, so you end to the number of folders that you want. Now I have the names of the folders I want for my individual folders. So this is the line of code that is going to execute the action. So what you do next is to hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now let's minimize this window and open our file explorer. When you open your file explorer, you are going to have this window, and in the navigation pane we have these locations, and this is the pictures location. So I'm going to have a once click on it, and you can see that we have all these items in this pictures location, and these are the folders that we created within the command prompt window. So you can see that I have the folders here, and we type 7 names for the folders. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is perfectly done using the CMD feature. So this is how to create multiple folders using the command prompt. If traditionally you want to create a folder within this picture folder, you have to right click, choose new, and choose folder, and give a folder name, or you can move to the menu bar and click on folder to select, and this is going to take much time. But if you are faster on the keyboard and also to memorize the code to create the folders, you can use the command prompt to create multiple folders, 10, 20, 30, depending on how you want it. So thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. And as I said, I'm going to have a future video on how to create folders and also subfolders using the command prompt. See you in the next video.